Dear members of the committee, on behalf of the Advocates for Human Rights, thank you for the opportunity to contribute to this discussion about gender stereotypes. The Advocates works to promote the human rights of women through research, representation, training, and advocacy worldwide, bringing more than 30 years of expertise in gender-based violence, and is currently undertaking work to address the anti-gender movements. Through its work, the Advocates has identified how harmful gender stereotypes perpetuate gender-based violence against women and girls, particularly in the form of systemic discrimination. The Advocates urges the committee to address gaps in domestic legislation on preventing and punishing gender-based violence against women and girls, as well as shortcomings in its implementation. Strengthening these legal frameworks would reinforce the obligation of state parties to examine their role in perpetuating gender stereotypes, to effectively fulfill their responsibilities under the Convention, and recognize gender-based violence against women and girls as a human rights violation that continues the vicious cycle of discrimination, violence, and gender stereotypes. The Advocates further encourages the committee to address discrimination against women, hindering their access to justice in matters concerning marriage, child custody, and divorce proceedings. State party policies and practices that institutionalize gender stereotypes about the inferiority of women and girls contribute to these barriers. This includes the use of non-scientific and harmful concepts such as parental alienation syndrome and discriminatory divorce and alimony laws that are harmful to women and place them at risk of gender-based violence. Such policies and practices reinforce harmful stereotypes, further women's subordination, and expose them to discrimination and rights violations in judicial proceedings. The Advocates for Human Rights looks forward to contributing to the committee's work to tackle gender stereotypes. Thank you.